Hello students, this is Renu and in today's video, we'll do revision of figures of speech. Two most important figures of speech I've taken in this video that are simile and metaphor. I've taken few examples of them that are frequently asked in competitive exams. So as you know what is a simile and metaphor, I made a separate video for them. But in this video also I am telling you what is a simile and metaphor in short. What is a simile and metaphor? Actually these two are figures of speech that are very important, and in both of them a comparison is being made. A comparison is made between two different objects which have one quality same. But in simile, words of comparison like so, as are used to show the comparison. While in metaphor, we make a direct comparison. So, comparison is being made between both, but in simile, we show the words of comparison, while in metaphor, we make a direct comparison. So, in this video, I've taken some most important examples of them that are usually asked in competitive exams. So, I made a quiz that will be very interesting. So, for every question, I'll give you 5 seconds to write your answer. If you know the answer, write your answer in comment section and then I'll tell you my answer, then match it. I hope it's clear to you. So, let's begin. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. These lines have been written by the poetess Sarojini Naidu, Palanquin Bear poem. So, as you can see, she floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. It's very clear which figure of speech is hidden over there. Options for this questions are simile or metaphor. Just find out. I'm giving you 5 seconds. Fast. Hurry up. Write down your answer in comment section. Over. Your time is over. So as you can see, she floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. So here a comparison is being made between she, I mean to say any girl, and laugh, a condition that is laugh. So comparison is being made here, and words of comparison like is used to show the comparison. So where we have words of comparison, the figure of speech that is called simile. So what is the correct answer of this question? Simile. Why? Because simile is a figure of speech in which a comparison is being made between two different objects, and words of comparison like so, as are used to show the comparison. I hope it's clear. Next question. Life is but a walking shadow. And your options are simile or metaphor. I'm giving you 5 seconds. Write down fast. Hurry up. Write down fast your answer. Hurry up. Over. Your time is over. So, life is but a walking shadow. Life is being compared with shadow directly. There is no use of any comparison word like so, as are not used, but a comparison is being made. So where the comparison is being made and the words of comparison like so, as are not used, there we find metaphor. It's a direct comparison. I hope you also have written correct answer. Okay. So, next one. The wish is father to the thought. Your options are simile or metaphor. Your time is going to be started now. Hurry up. Write your answer fast. Over. Your time is over. So see what is written over there. The wish is father to the thought. So here you can easily find out a comparison is being made directly. So which figure of speech is used over here? It's metaphor. Wish is father to the thought. I hope it's clear to you. So what is the correct answer of this question? It's metaphor. What is the correct answer? It's metaphor. Next one. So next one is, I see a lily on thy brow, pale with anguish. Options are simile or metaphor. Your time is going to be started now. Write down your answer fast. Read it and write down your answer fast. Your time is over. Okay. So, I see a lily on thy brow, pale with anguish. As you can see, a comparison is being made between two different objects. Paleness of the face of the girl is being compared with lily. And you can check there are no words of comparison, not a single word that show the comparison. So where we do direct comparison, there we find the figure of speech, that is metaphor. I hope it's clear. Let's take next one. Next one is, the fire of passion made him blind. Again, your options are simile and metaphor. Your time is going to be started now. Hurry up. Write your answer fast in comment section if you know. Oh, over. Your time is over. So, read the sentence. The fire of passion made him blind. So here, passion is being compared with fire. And again, we don't have words of comparison in this sentence. So there, a comparison is being made directly without using the words of comparison. There we find the figure of speech, that is metaphor. I hope it's clear. Next example. Next question is, he looks smart though he is at the sunset of his life. Your options are simile or metaphor. I'm giving you 5 seconds. Just write down your answer fast in comment section. Hurry up. I know you got it. Your time is over. Okay. So, let me clarify. He looks smart though he is at the sunset of his life. So here someone's age is being compared directly with sunset. So here also the figure of speech that we have without using the words of comparison, that is metaphor. I hope you got it. Next one. Next question is, simile is means, what is a simile? Part of speech, figure of speech, or a technical device. I'm giving you 5 seconds. Write down your answer fast. Hurry up. It's very easy. Write down your answer fast. Over. Your time is over. So as we all know, simile is a figure of speech in which a comparison is being made between two different objects which have one quality common, one same quality, and words of comparison like as, so are used. So what is correct answer? Figure of speech. Next question. Okay, so here we have a definition. Just read it and find out which figure of speech we are talking about. A figure of speech wherein a comparison is made between two unlike, means different, quantities without the use of words like or as is termed. Your options are simile or metaphor. Just write down your answer within 5 seconds. Fast. Hurry up. Write down. Over. Your time is over. So, I know you all know the answer. A figure of speech in which a comparison is made directly without using the words of comparison, that is metaphor. So, what is the correct answer? It's metaphor. I hope you got it. Next question. Oh, my love is like a red rose. So, which figure of speech is this? Your options are simile or metaphor. I'm giving you 5 seconds. Just comment it. Comment me your answer fast. Your time is over. So, oh my love. So, love is being compared with rose, red rose. And like is also used to show the comparison. So, where we find the words of comparison, so that is as simple as anybody can understand. Okay, it's very easy to find out simile because in this we make comparison between two different objects and we show comparison through comparison words. What are comparison words? They are like, so, as, such. I hope it's clear. So, oh my love is like a red rose. Which figure of speech is there? It's simile. I hope you got it. So, next one. Next is life is a dream. Your options are simile or metaphor. Just write down your answer within 5 seconds. Your time is going to be started now. It's very easy. Just write down fast. Hurry up. Over. Your time is over. Life is a dream. So life is being compared directly with dream. So which figure of speech is used here? It's metaphor. I hope it's clear. So next one. Next is the holy time is quiet. The holy time is quiet as our nun is. So here holy time is being compared with a nun. Nun means पुजारी. तो जो हमारा होली टाइम होता है, जो अच्छा टाइम होता है, वो इतना शांत होता है जैसे कि पुजारी. तो यहाँ पर which figure of speech has been used? Your options are simile or metaphor. Your time is going to be started now. Write your answer fast. जल्दी लिखिए fast. Hurry up. Your time is going to be over. Okay. So, this is also very simple to understand. The holy time is quiet as a nun. Okay. So, which figure of speech is here? It's simile. Why? Because a comparison is being made and words of comparison as is used to show the comparison. So I hope you got it. Next one, friendship is a sheltering tree. Options are simile, metaphor. 5 seconds started. Hurry up. Too fast. Your time is over. Okay. So, friendship is a sheltering tree. Friendship is being compared with a sheltering tree without using the words of comparison. So, which figure of speech has been used over here? It's metaphor. Because in metaphor, we directly make a comparison between two different objects. And we do not use any words of comparison to show the comparison. It's directly. Next question. Next one is happiness is but an occasional episode in the general drama of pains. Happiness is but an occasional episode in the general drama of pains. Options are simile and metaphor, and time is started now. Do it fast. Hurry up. Okay, over. Time is over. So let me tell you, happiness is but an occasional episode. So here happiness is being compared with episodes in the general drama of pains. So whenever someone is having so much pains, so happiness comes like occasionally, like an episode in his or her life. So here a comparison is being made between two different objects, and words of comparison are also not used to show the comparison. Happiness is just like an occasional episode. Okay? But they did not use any words of comparison. They made directly comparison. And where we find directly comparison, there we have a figure of speech that is metaphor. I hope you got it. So what is the correct answer? It's metaphor. Okay, let me take next one. Next one is, what is the name of an implied simile? Your options are simile or metaphor. Your time is going to be started now. Fast. Hurry up. Write down. Write down in comment section. It's last over. It's over. So, implied simile. Implied means directly. So, direct simile is called metaphor. Because in metaphor, we make a comparison directly. Okay? So, many examples we have studied today. So, in all the examples, you have been observed that we make a direct comparison in metaphor. So what is the correct answer? It's metaphor. It's a very important question. It usually comes in exams. So next one. Next one is, all the world is a stage. So here, which figure of speech is being used? Simile or metaphor? Just write down fast. Your time is started. Hurry up. Do fast. Last 2 seconds. Fast. Hurry up. Oh, it's over. So, all the world is a stage. So here, world is being compared with a stage. And we don't find any words of comparison like so, as, such over here. So it's a metaphor. I hope it's clear. So let me take next one. Revenge is a kind of wild justice. Revenge is a kind of wild justice. Options are simile or metaphor. Just write down within 5 seconds. Fast. Everybody fast. Hurry up. Hurry over. It's over. So revenge is a kind of wild justice. Revenge मतलब किसी से बदला लेना अच्छा नहीं माना जाता. It's a wild justice. So here revenge is being compared with wild justice, and we do not find any words of comparison over here. Directly it is stated like revenge is a kind of wild justice. Okay, so the figure of speech that is used, that is metaphor. I hope you got it. This is the last question of today's video. Life is a bed of roses. Life is a bed of roses. And options are simile or metaphor. Time. It's very easy. Too fast. Hurry up. Hurry up. Too fast. Write down. Over. Your time is over. So life is a bed of roses. So here life is being compared with comfort, with bed of roses, like a bed of roses. So life is as comfortable as a bed of roses. So here also directly a comparison is being made between two different objects without using the words of comparison. I hope it's clear. So what is the correct answer of this question? It's metaphor, because where we find direct comparison, there the figure of speech that is used, that is only metaphor, and metaphor is most important figure of speech. It is usually asked in competitive exams. So I just try to take most important examples of this in this quiz form. I hope you like it. If you really like it and you have learned something today, please do like it and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.